What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do Roblox Studio. I've been working on it a while, but I'm just gonna make a game but record it. So first I gotta open Roblox Studio, and I have these games I made. I'm gonna grab a brand new experience and I'm going to think about it, what to make. I don't know. Let's just start on some basic stuff. Maybe a idea will come out at some point. So first off, I'm gonna want to take this texture and I don't know, I just want to put in material surface. What would this do if I go into materials? It'd be funny if it actually added the texture to the thing. Okay. Actually, let's just make some UI teleport you. Next episode, I might, actually get an idea for what I'm gonna make. So, gotta expand this. Just gotta add this. And then, I'm just gonna name this base plate, because I can. Okay. I actually might just use this texture. Okay, well, wait. Yeah, that looks like the base plate. So let's just make a UI button. So I'm gonna go into Starter GUI, add in Screen GUI. So rename this to Teleport, and then add in a little text button. I'm not gonna go through the whole thing of decorating it since I might not even use this. All I'm gonna do is hit teleport. There we go. Now I will add not a script but a local script. In here I'm just gonna write script, which refers to the local script itself, and dot parent, which is a thing it's inside of, which in this case would be the text button. Dot, we're gonna add an event called mouse button one click colon connect function. Now we'll just wait on this for a minute. So if I just add 2 dashes, it turns into a comment and not thing. I'll go into here and add a local function action. I'll name it. And then now we'll put what we want to do when the mouse button is clicked, when the button's clicked. So, oh yeah, the teleport. So, game.players.localPlayer. We're gonna want to go to the local player. Just refers to the player that the local script is running for, which this runs on a client, which is a specific user's device, not everyone's device. So everyone won't teleport in a random position when this button is touched. Only the person who clicks the button is going to receive that change and teleport. which everyone can see, but yeah. And also it goes into here. It goes into, if I hit dot character, is basically like when if I hit, I'm just gonna comment this out to this out, okay. So just to, actually wait, no, what? If I go into the local script, I can disable it. If I check, oh yeah, I forgot to anchor this. If you, so I'm just gonna select this space plate I made, and we're just gonna have to hit anchor so it won't fall. And you, however, anyways, like, so, like when we join, if we check workspace, our player is in it. Don't care about my weird name. I've used it for a while and I've kind of gone out of it, but the player is here, and if you see else, it's selected every single part of my body. So I'm able to just do this. I've actually never done it before. That's actually funny. What? I can actually, bro, what is this? Okay, I've actually never done this before. But it basically, when I type character, it goes into the that model that you saw. So character dot, we're gonna do a wait for child, which a child like this. It's what's inside of it. So child would be the script. So however, instead of GUI, teleport. It's teleport. This UI is a child. So we just type the name in a string, which is basically a set of words that they cannot change, that the script cannot change, and it has to stay that way. And if I can do wait for child, and then it doesn't give you any filling, so I'm just gonna type humanoid root part, which is basically like the primary part. Oh wait, dot, no, it's supposed to be a colon. Wait for child, humanoid root part. So if we play it, it finds a root part. However, next, and then we're gonna, actually, instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put a local, which basically defines a variable. If you use like Python or even Scratch, there are variables which just store a value. We're trying to find the humanoid root part, and then that will be stored, and whenever I type, I'm just going to do HRP since that's what everyone does, and equal. So local is for creating a new variable. You can just do HRP is equal to whatever after it, and it will create, I don't know. Well, so I can just do HRP, or humanoid root part dot position. If for some reason can't find it, is equal to vector3 dot new. So vector3 basically means it's in 3-dimensional. So like this is 3D because you can move in the, if I go into here, and then I can move on the x-axis. I don't even know if this is x-axis, and the or the z-axis. I don't even know if this is z-axis either. And then there's a y-axis, which I definitely know. It's up yeah, 2D games only have X and Y, so there's 3 dimensions. And then what we're gonna do is math.random. Oh, so this isn't actually full game. I'm just trying to get ideas as well as show you some of the basics of scripting. I actually didn't mention that. Math.random. Now we're gonna set the minimum. We're gonna set the minimum number and then the maximum number. So if I go into here, I'll add a post here as a demonstration. I'm going to go here. Its position is, I'm looking at the origin. So it's 68. So 68. 68, comma for separating it. And then we will do 68. Wait, no, minus 70, 68. I think. Was it that? Wait, no, it's minus 70. So it will choose. Actually, wait, no, this is wrong. Actually, no, it is right. Okay. So it should teleport you, except it doesn't work. Oh, that's why. Dot x, we're finding the x value is equal. And then I'm just going to get rid of this. Now it should teleport you in working. Maybe it doesn't support negative numbers. Actually, no, it probably does. So no, I forget don't know what is going on. The humanoid root parts first, so I know that for some reason it can't print. Printing is only for like server things. However, for some reason, I'm sometimes able to print stuff using local scripts, which is just odd. It's only sometimes though, so it might not work. Yeah, it doesn't work. However, HOP.position is equal vector 3.new. So can I set it to minus 70 or something? Minus 58. Is this thing solve our problems? Oh, I accidentally. Okay, well, this is confusing. Oh wait, that's why. Script function action colon connect action can. I'll actually undo this all. Wait 1 second. I'll just ditch this pretty much. I'm going to actually make it so that a part makes you teleport. So I'm just gonna add TP pad. I'll add a normal script this time. Script.parent.touched connect teleport, which will basically be a function that I'm going to add here. So local function teleport. So now we'll run this bit of code. Okay, this should work. Maybe. Who knows? Yes, it works. It just for some reason only works with this. Okay, wait a second. There's this thing that I have up my sleeve called a remote event, which is honestly pretty useful. So I have capital locks on. Remote events. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of trying to do this, if I now position character, if I do game.workspace and I go into the TP pad and I go remote event :fire server, which will basically trigger the remote event, and here instead of doing the touched, then it'll instead go a script.parent.remote event.onServer event, and then it'll do it. And there it works. Now I just have to do the random stuff. The randomizing the positions. So this should work. It's like lagging out for whatever reason. Doesn't usually do this. It usually isn't that bad, boy. But okay, there. It picks a random position. It's a random position around the base plate. This is not related to any game idea I have in the future. Maybe randomizing positions is, but like not the players. That is cool. So that's my first thing. I am going to brainstorm ideas off camera. So, yep, that's pretty much it. Make sure to like and subscribe. It would help me out. It would help me out. Also, we recently hit 15 subscribers. I'm actually gonna check it out now. What up, Copilot on? If I go into YouTube, why is it taking forever to load? Okay. Okay, wait a second. Wait a second. My channel. Yep, 16 subscribers. We actually hit a bit over that. I love how we got to that milestone. Like this video, after I saw it, it was like my most popular video. It was honestly like crazy. I did not expect that. I am not good at drawing, so don't make fun of this. But yeah, that's it for starting Roblox. I will try working on it, but currently we have a game. In 1 second, making it 15 instead of 10. Yeah, keep the changes to the scripts I made. So yeah, thanks for the support, and I will see you in the next video, which will probably be this. I'll also probably make a different Roblox video, so I'll also probably change my name. Always save, okay. So, bye.